Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Christmas isn't that far away, and if you've got children that are looking for something that they could make as a thank you gift to, say, the teacher, the soccer coach, could be the swimming coach, just a little something, this is so fantastic, and it only has a few ingredients, and it's a lovely little room diffuser or enhancing fragrance that's sort of a little bit Christmas inspired. This is what you need. You need a jar like a mason's jar that's got one of those little tops or lids that just pops out. Use that as your template around a beautiful piece of paper. If you didn't, I'll do this, hold on, and I'll come back to it. Cut that out, so that can just be cut out so that you've got a nice little, where is it? Nice little ring like I've got. If you didn't want to use a nice little piece of paper, you could perhaps use a nice little crochet doily. You can pick these up, and I'm trying to think of the shop that there's, well, we call them the $1, $2 and $3 shop here in New Zealand, but I think, I can't remember what the name of the shop is in America, but all around the world they've usually got little inexpensive shops where you can get just about everything. So you could either use that. You also need some baking soda. Now this is cheap as cheap, and it's just a matter of putting your baking soda into there, or you could use Epsom salts if you wanted to. Don't know why that didn't come out. Hold on, I'll just get in there. Put that into there like so. Fill it up. Let's not look like we're being mean and stingy. And then into that, I've just got, this is the blend that I use, and it's 8 drops of patchouli, orange and vanilla. And that just gets put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of those go into there, and I'm just going to put that there. And then that was the patchouli, 8 of the sweet orange. But you might be able to find a fragrance that, you know, there might be a blend that you might like to use that you could, instead of using the blend that I've got. It's just a blend that I've had going on for years and years and years. And then with the vanilla, it's just 8 of the vanilla. Ooh. Right, that'll do for that. And then it's just a matter of getting in there and giving that a nice little stir. And it is, oh, that is so nice. It's a bit lumpy at this stage, but don't worry about that. And the great thing is that if you wanted to use Epsom salts, it's quite nice because you've got those different, you know, all different types of colours. Then it's just a matter of putting that onto there like that, or you could use something like this. This will give more of a fragrance. And then just pulling that so that it's on hard. Right, there, it's not sitting very well, but that will do for now. And then to dress it, I will fix that in due course. Just getting a little bit of this, or you could use that, and that just gets tied around like so. And then you have a pretty little thing that smells nice that a child could make, or you could make it yourself as a wee gift. And what I do with these is I just have them just scattered all around the house for these lovely little fragrances. And then just before, I've got to push that down a bit, but that'll do. So just give it a wee shake, and then those beautiful fragrances come through. And if you wanted to, you could even embellish it further with a little leaf. But just simple, simple little things for Christmas. People love getting something that you've made by your own hands. So happy holidays and Merry Christmas from me.